Okay, we've got the VAIOT main account on today as a speaker, and I think we're waiting for, is it Mixoel?
Testing 1, 2, 3, and yes, we are live. My name is Jacob Brothers, the Community Marketing Growth Manager for VAIOT, and yes, one of our developers will be joining us here shortly.
Awesome, Jacob. Welcome. Right, if you're ready, I can do a quick introduction, and when the developer joins, I can set him up as a speaker as we go along.
Yeah, of course. Let's go ahead and get things started.
A warm welcome to the WhaleCoinTalk Spaces. I'm Glenn, your host. Today we have joining us Jacob and Mixoel will be joining us, a developer as well from VAIOT. We've had them on before, so it's great to have them back on and do a deeper dive about certain aspects of the project shortly. But first, Jacob, can you tell us about yourself, your background, experience, and your journey so far in the crypto industry?
Yes, of course. So I have been myself in crypto since 2014, speculating on Bitcoin when I had no idea what it was, buying silly things like furniture and whatnot. Now, flash forward 10 years later, I've been working in sales and crypto marketing heavily for about 5 years now. Several projects under my belt, but mainly focused on helping projects build products that not only will change Web3, but change how Web3 interacts with the world around us. VAIOT just so happens to be one of those projects in a very, very heavy way.
I don't know.
Yeah, short and sweet.
Okay, great, Jacob. Thanks for the introduction. And let's start with what is VAIOT delivering as a product for end users, and how does zk-SNARKs fit into the bigger picture of VAIOT's solutions?
Well, to unwrap VAIOT a little bit, VAIOT unites AI and blockchain technology and hopes to, as I said, revolutionize the way we automate our everyday lives and B2B lives with our AI legal assistant, broker, sales assistant, and intelligent contracts. We were founded in 2018, and by 2020, we became the world's first BFAA regulated project in Malta. Launched our token VAI in 2021, and now in 2023, we're live on the Polygon mainnet and heavily entering in the later stages of development for our assistants. But specifically, what we've been doing recently is in our assistant, we have our contract reader, in which the contract reader and the context of the assistant itself enables you to view, modify, download, understand any legal contract that you build or load in to our AI legal assistant. Whether that be for something as simple as a marketing contract with an influencer, or say selling a car, anything like that. Our legal assistant will not only break down how to make the contract, make it easy to disperse funds when needed, but also the contract that you're unfamiliar with, will break down the terms for you and make it a little bit easier to understand with graphics that are automatically made inside the AI itself. But with that said, VAIOT is not just a product. It's a suite of tools all wrapped up in a cutting edge system. Our platform uses a combination of machine learning algorithms developed by our team, along with tools like Microsoft Clue, GPT-4 from OpenAI. The idea is to provide our users with the ability to create, analyze, and manage all their legal needs in one place. Our main feature, as I mentioned, the AI legal assistant, acts like your personal legal help. Whether you're trying to draft the contracts, keep track of them, getting insights about them, but where we really push the envelope is our use and current use of zk-SNARKs in our development cycle. With zk-SNARKs, we can provide a whole new layer of privacy and security for our users. You can prove the authenticity of specific parts of your contract to a third party without revealing the whole thing. This is a very powerful tool for privacy and confidentiality that really hasn't been seen before in this way. It opens up a world of possibilities for use cases where sensitive information needs to be verified but not disclosed to other parties. As a GDPR compliant project, VAIOT is legally obligated to maintain a high level of data protection. zk-SNARKs are part of this commitment to protect our users' data. It's not just about compliance, though. We genuinely believe in the value of privacy. We're always looking for innovative ways to improve it. In essence, VAIOT's suite of solutions, including the use of zk-SNARKs, all contributes to our mission, making legal document handling and privacy protection easier and more accessible than ever. Sorry for the word salad there. I can go on about this all day.
That's great, Jacob. And how does VAIOT integrate zk-SNARKs into its architecture to enhance privacy?
Well, for starters, it's worth mentioning that contracts created with the aid of our legal assistant are filled with important data that both parties might want to use for other legal or public administration processes. Essentially, we're using zk-SNARKs like a digital veil. We allow users to show just a bit of their contract details to someone else, just the bits they want to reveal. It's kind of like having a special magnifying glass where you can only see certain details. Say you've got a contract that mentions a salary of $1,000 a month, right? You want to show that that's real, that that's tangible, that is on paper, but without giving other specifics, say who you work for, the job you're doing, trying to keep it confidential. With zk-SNARKs, we create a cryptographic proof that says, yes, this is genuine. And that's all the third party can see. A game changer for privacy in contracting, public administration, and contract-based transactions.